Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Joaxswe record player stand with vinyl record storage. This mid-century modern piece is designed for music lovers who want a stylish yet functional home setup. Measuring 24 inches wide, 15.43 inches deep, and 28.85 inches tall, it provides ample space for up to 200 vinyl records. The top surface is perfect for accommodating a wide variety of record players, allowing you to create a dedicated music corner in your living room, bedroom, or office. The stand features a two-level design. The middle level, with a height of 8.26 inches, is ideal for displaying your favorite audio equipment, collectibles, or decorative items. Below that, the bottom compartment offers organized storage for vinyl records and magazines, keeping your collection neatly arranged. The back panel has cleverly designed circular wire holes to help hide cables, giving your setup a clean and organized appearance. Aesthetically, the stand embraces a vintage, mid-century style, combining the natural warmth of wood with a calm, retro charm. It integrates seamlessly into various home environments, enhancing the artistic vibe of your space. Structurally, it's built from engineered wood, reinforced internally to ensure sturdiness and long-lasting use. The bottom rests on thick gourd-shaped legs, adding stability and visual appeal. Assembly is straightforward, with clearly labeled accessories, illustrated instructions, and included tools. The record stand comes packaged with double-layer reinforcement, foam, and corner guards to ensure it arrives without damage. Beyond its functional design, this stand also emphasizes sustainability. The materials are sourced from well-managed forests, recycled materials, and other controlled wood sources, certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. Overall, the Joaxswe record player stand offers a combination of practicality, style, and sustainability. Its solid construction, generous storage capacity, and thoughtful design make it a great addition to any vinyl enthusiast's home, turning your music area into a visually appealing and organized space. Whether you're looking to display your records, your turntable, or a combination of decorative items, this stand provides the perfect platform for all of it. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest home and tech products.